Hello students, in previous part of this chapter we have read about the properties, that is median and the altitude of the triangle. Now we will discuss about the other property of the triangle, that is exterior angle. So what is exterior angle? This is the triangle and we know that a triangle has three angles, 1, 2 and 3. A, B and C is the name of the triangle. Now if we extend any of the side of a triangle, the angle formed by the extended line is known as the exterior angle. So this is the exterior angle. Alright. A triangle can have many exterior angles. Suppose if I extend this line, so this will be the exterior angle. If I extend here this line, this will be the exterior angle. Okay, so a triangle can have many exterior angles. Now let's study about the property of the exterior angle. So the property of the exterior angle is that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. What it says, exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Alright, that means this angle will be equal to the two interior opposite angles. So two interior angles and opposite. So this is adjacent angle. So this is not the opposite angle. So rest of the two are the opposite angle. So for this triangle we can have, that means angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Alright. There is one more property of the triangle, that is if a line segment which is parallel to the opposite line of the angle, if this line is parallel to AB, then the angle 1 will be equal to angle, this is X and this is Y, so angle X. How? This will form a Z. That means they will be alternate interior angles, right? And angle 2 will be equal to angle Y. Reason will be same. Okay, so these are the two properties of the exterior angle. Okay, let's do exercise 5.2. Okay, which is based on these concept of the exterior angle. Let's do question number 1. Exercise 5.2, question number 1, part 2nd. Okay, so part 2nd is, we have a triangle. This angle is 65 degrees and this is 45 degree. This is the exterior angle which is given as X. Okay, first of all let's name the triangle. This is P, Q and R. Now we know the property of the exterior angle. X is exterior angle, right? So we know the property, that is X will be equal to angle P plus angle r. Okay, so x will be equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree. On adding we get x is equal to 110 degrees. So the exterior angle of the triangle, that is x, is equal to 110 degrees. Alright, let's do question number 2. Question number 2, part 1. So it has a shape given that a triangle. Here the angle, this angle is 50 degree, this is x, and the exterior angle, this exterior angle is given as 115 degree, right? So now let's name them A, B, C. Now we know that 105 degree is equal to angle A plus angle B, right? 115 degree is equal to angle A is 50 degree plus angle B is x. Okay. Now on taking this 50 degree to the left side, we will get 115 minus 50, because here it is in positive, plus if we shift this 50 degree to the left side, that will become negative. Okay. So on subtracting, we will get 65 degree is equal to x. Alright. So the answer of this question is, this angle is equal to 65 degrees. Rest of the question are same and you can try it on your own.